time to review the Playshion CW1 Electric Scooter.
Charging up on the 2.5 amp hour. Nice and easy right there. Playshion. Ready to go. Hopefully in a few hours. This little thing is whoop, whoop, and whoop. And then look at that. I cannot tell you how badass this is, and easy. Easiest scooter to transport. So, portability, pretty good. That clamp is awesome, nice and easy. Winner, I like this. And then when you want to fold it back up, you're just gonna go release. Goes there. Safety locks. Good to go. Now they do have an app, and you do not need to use the app. So only if you want to lock the scooter and get like some information on it. So it's kind of cool. This is the Playshion CW1 Electric Scooter. I don't think I've ever been on such a small scooter, or one that is so low powered as well. Not bad. This is a single motor. I got a lot of equipment with me. Let's check this brake. Cool. Manual brake works good. Ooh, electric brake works really good. All right, we got our first hill test here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now this is quite the hill. Quite the hill. Why do you not make it? You know? Get a little something. I'm just gonna get it. I got it. I think I can get it. Look at that. Look at that. I got some wind behind me. Good job, Playshion. That was a good hill. I can come down here with all the tourists, and we can check the brakes. Not a better test than Lombard Street to test your brakes, right? Cool, and it can come to a complete stop if I need it to. Nice. Good job, Playshion. Brakes are working. Can stop it with just the manual down lumbar, and the electric brake is almost all there. Pretty cool. Now the only thing I don't like is the latch on your rear foot. I'm a tall dude, so I'd stick my rear leg back there, and it's got that little pin thing sitting there, so that kind of sucks. So far, guys, Playshion's riding well. No suspension, so the tires got to be everything. Air-filled tires. Battery still says full, so that's good. I'm a 6'3" guy, and you know, these handlebars are down there, but still reachable. There's still bend in my elbow if you look at that, so not too bad. Cruising on the Playshion. Not bad. Not bad for no suspension. Hey, thank you. I'm on a scooter review ride here, man. Get with it. So funny, I used to make fun of all the rental scooters, and now I'm riding a version of it. But this is kind of cool. You pay for it. You don't have to do anything. And I got a little ding dang. Definitely on this road, smooth. I think these are 8 or 10-inch tires. Feel good. Put the Playshion light in action so they can see me coming. Doo 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 doo. She's not even looking where she's going. Am I part of the problem? This is just another alternative for transportation. Can be used as a good thing, can be used as a bad thing. Oh yeah. So guys, all in all, kind of cool. It's 15 miles per hour. It looks like it's down to 3 bars after running around everywhere. So I'm gonna get probably, I don't know, 8 to 10 real mileage on it probably. And yeah, it's kind of quality. You saw me jumping it over there. Good build quality. The only thing I do not know is those comparative scooters, if they're exactly the same. And if they are exactly the same, then Playshion might want to lower their price point. But for what it is, it's a quality scooter. Rugged, looks good. Love the engineering of it. Love the light up high. That's a great feature. And yeah, pretty solid. So all in all, this thing is thumbs up with the electric life. All things though, guys, that I've seen with every product, it's not the initial mile, 10 miles, it's 100,000 miles. What does the product do? And so those are the true tests. So I don't know if I'll be able to put those kind of miles on to see, but for right now, this thing's pretty solid and past day one. So I can recommend the model I got. Pretty cool. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up my review of the Playshion CW1 Electric Scooter. All in all, did pretty well. Got to 15 miles per hour. I'm not sure about the 18 miles of range, but I do like the features. It's got the light nice and high up top. It's got the easy stem, safety, and then you just hit that lock right there. Pretty piece of cake. Comes down, locks in, boom, boom, boom. You got pretty easy peasy portability right there. So that for sure is going to be the #1 feature of the Playshion scooter.
Put that back, set it back. Hard to beat that, for sure. So that's really solid. The build, awesome. Took it over a few jumps. It has no suspension, so the tires do really good with giving you some sense of softness as you're going down the road. Love the Stealth Black. Looks good. Playshion, you made a good scooter.